how to use auto beat feature in CapCut PC. So if you want to use auto beat feature in CapCut PC, then what you need to do is simply go with the audio option, which is here on the upper left. Once you go with the audio, here you will have all of the beats, right? All of the audios that you would like to use. So for example, I'll be choosing an audio. Click on download. Go for plus, which is here on the right side. Click on the plus. Once you click on the plus, here you will have the audio or the beat, right? So you can simply right click on that beat option. So here on the upper side, here you will have mark beats option. Simply click on it and then you will have beat 1 and then beat 2. So if you go for beat 1, then it will mark the beat 1. And if you go for the beat 2, it will mark the beat 2. From beat 2, we will get all the major and subset beats as well. And now once you've added the beats, now you can go with the import option and then you can import any videos or any images that you would like to add to your beat. So for example, I'll be choosing a video, and then if you add the video, then you will have this kind of interface. So that's how you can use auto beat feature in CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.